Hello. In this video, I practically am gonna show you the food I just made. Like, this rice is excellent. So I'm gonna show you in a minute how I did it. And this is just the chicken wings I made, the pie I made. I made this in my past video. You can watch one of the videos I have this. But as you know, as my friends know, and my family know, I am a big Celtic fan. I am still a big Celtic fan. Actually, I'm a little disappointed. I just watched the game and they lost, but they were playing really good. So, those of you who watch my channel, you know I'm always dancing because I sure love cooking, and I'll continue cooking. And sometimes I just want to eat the food in front of you so you can see it. But as I already mentioned, you're gonna watch the rice, how I cook the rice in a minute. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And if you have subscribed, thank you very much. Right? People I know don't like being on a channel with me, so this rice, you can pretty much eat it by itself. That's how good it is. This is the beautiful sauce I make. I love this sauce. It's Gino Java sauce. One day I'll have it out there. I'm still working on it. So I love dipping the chicken in the sauce. You know, it's crazy sometimes because I find like when I'm cooking, I end up doing a video there. Food is good, so I enjoy my own food, you know. I try not to eat out a lot, if any at all, but once in a while. As you can see in that video, I was out eating somebody else's food. But one day I had a Blove sauce. I would love to order it one of these days and test it on my chicken wings. For those of you who know Blove, she eats a lot of seafood. She's the queen of seafood. Mukbang. People like that work really hard toward it. I'm really proud of her. She actually inspired me to realize that, hey, if you love what you do, keep doing it. You might get you somewhere, you know. I do have a full-time job, right? Yeah. But on weekends, I do my cooking. So I can post on YouTube. So I hope you enjoy the videos. So talking about the sauce, a lot of people have been saying, when are you gonna bottle this sauce, Gino? I don't know. You tell me out there. No? It will come. when the time is right, I'll do it. It's a beautiful sauce. It's nice fresh sauce. That's what it is. All right. Another thing is, I make this pies. I make the puff pastry from scratch. And there's nothing like making your own puff pastry. As you can see, I was busy making it. You'll see the whole video soon. I love spicy. Spicy food is the best for me, you know. I make the pies. It's a handheld pie. And like I said, the bread, the puff pastry that I make is out of this world, right? But those pies are out of this world. Well, if you have an idea of how you can help in producing the sauce, I would gladly want to hear what you have to say. My email is ginoscreativecooking@gmail.com. I'm on Instagram. It's called ginosafrocooking. Ginosafrocooking. I'm a simple girl from Botswana, living in America, enjoying what I do. Yep. So I sure do. Yes. This is what they call Mukbang video, where you're just eating and talking. But I don't have a lot to talk about because I don't want to talk about anyone. I really don't want to talk about anyone. Except to say that the reason why I love the Celtics so much that even after I moved out of Boston, right? When they retired the Paul Pierce jersey, I was like, I am not gonna miss that. I am not gonna miss it. So, booked a flight, went to Boston to watch the Boston Celtics. Yeah, I did. And it was worth it because the prices were so high actually to go inside the TD Garden. So I ended up watching the game with my friend in front of the bar, right in front of the TD Garden. And guess what? The reporters came by. They came and videoed me. First I was kind of shy. My friend was like, come on, Janet, you know you like Paul Pierce. You know you love the Celtics. And for sure, they interviewed me. I was so excited. I was so excited, and they said, why are you here? I told them. And I was actually on the news. I'll try and find the video to show you. I was on the news. Practically, people were calling me, oh, Janet, we saw you on TV. I was like, what? Yes. I said, okay. I was so excited. So a little bit about me, right? And anyway, let me not bore you too much. But this rice, you need to watch the video. Just don't forget to subscribe. So you can learn a little bit of what I do. I cook, but I don't do recipes. Every time I cook, it's like, okay, let's see, what can I imagine? Imagination. Cooking is all about imagination, seriously. I try to explain every step of how I'm doing something. It might be boring to some people, but it's because I don't have a recipe. It takes long anyway to make a video. It takes long. It's not easy. It's easy to cook, but doing a video, some hard thing. Already mentioned, thank you so much for watching Gino's Creative Cooking. I appreciate you, and don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button so that when I post a video, you automatically receive it. And thank you, love you, bye.